this is Jans from Corsair Detail. Thanks for tuning in. So today I wanted to show you some difference between all of these microfiber towels. You know, not all the microfiber towels are the same. And usually the biggest difference is what we call GSMs, grams per square meter. So that's how they measure microfiber towels. So when you see more of the plusher ones, they usually have a higher count, so higher grams per square meter. So let's say this one is 400 grams per GSMs. This is 300. If you look closely, this is about 250. You can see that they're way smaller. And this is a glass towel, which is a separate kind of thing. So where do you use them? And how do you know what number to use for what? Like I said, on average, 350 to 300 is safe to work on all surfaces. But if you have some softer paint or black paint, we always recommend you to use plusher towels. So even up to 500 GSM. So why is that? Because the plusher the towel is, the less abrasive it is on the surface. So when you when you look at drying towels, the big ones that I can't show you now, but I'll show you some other time. When we're going to do some DIY drying, DIY, I think so. Anyway, DIY as well. We can do all of those too, but that's another story. Okay, so back to towel. So the plusher the towel is, the less is going to scratch the paint. If you have a black car, if you dry it with a towel, or if you even apply waxes and sealants with it, use a higher count. Okay. Next one. This is the 300 or 350. No, this is 350. Yeah. So this is safe on all surfaces, and it's easy to work on the glass as well. It's not going to streak, and it's not going to leave any lint. So usually the less of a count on a microfiber you can use, and you can use with a little bit more force. You know, so let's say if you got a clean glass or rims, you know, it's going to be a little bit more abrasive than, let's say, a plusher one, but it's going to get the job done easier and faster usually. So these are the cheaper ones. These are the ones you can find on like AutoZone and places like that. We don't really use them that much. We sometimes only use them on like wheels and calipers and some dirty work, some dirty interiors. They do not absorb liquid that well, and usually after this first wash, we gotta throw them out. They're no good, no bueno. And these, the last ones, are the glass towels. Okay, so these glass towels are magical. If you would use something like this on a glass, a 300 to 400 GSM, SMG GSM, maybe. Anyway, if you use really plush towels, the lint's gonna be left on the window. It's gonna be super hard to clean the glass properly. That's why you need glass towels. As you can see, the difference. You see how plush this is and how like flat this is. So this would absorb less liquids, but it's not gonna streak and leave any smudges. The secret for glass cleaning is just keep flipping the towel. You can also use the good old, at the end you can use newspapers if you really need to. But that usually you have to use some newspaper if you got a bad microfiber towel. Use the glass ones. You can find these on Amazon. Just Google for or Amazon for glass towels. Yeah, for next tricks and tips, tune into the Corsair YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, everybody.